All right, let's do our Harvest Home warm up. Come on, Wally, you gonna follow me? Come on, face is over here. There you go. Good job. All right, Harvest Home. We're in D major. And so that means we have a high 2 on the G, D, and A string. We have a low 2 over on our E string. When we're bouncing back and forth between our D and our A, make sure that your wrist is doing all that work for you. And you're leaving your fingers down on the D string and making that tunnel so that the A string can still ring out. All right, let's give it a go. 1, and ready, and go, and.